Hello and welcome to the video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I diet on 2000 calories getting 120 grams of protein on a plant-based diet. Lots of high volume, low calorie meal ideas to help keep me satiated while I diet. Anyway, my dad says my videos have been a bit too long lately and to keep them a bit shorter, so I'll see you at breakfast. Breakfast is served. So for breakfast, well, I'd say it's more lunch. I kind of intermittent fast and it is now 11:30. I've just been on a run. I now run, no big deal. So I have a Huel shake. This is literally 2 scoops of Huel, 1 banana and some ice. It's actually delicious. Tastes like a kind of chocolate milkshake. This helps keep me feeling satiated. I find that, if I eat a big meal, I kind of feel a bit lethargic and drowsy, and I can just kind of sip on this throughout the day and it kind of restores my glycogen from the run and all that kind of stuff. If you don't know what Huel is, I've made millions of videos on them before, but basically one of these is 40 grams of protein and it has lots of essential aminos and fats and all that kind of good stuff that is kind of difficult to get when you are dieting. Once you start lowering the calories and you aim for a specific goal, it can be hard to hit certain micronutrients, so I find having a Huel really helps me out. Disclaimer, my meals are going to be more exciting than this. This is something I have just because it's quick and easy. I save most of my calories for the end of the day where I have a massive feast of a dinner and a big dessert, which I think you're really going to enjoy. So stick around to the end to see my low calorie, high protein ice cream, which I'm going to be showing you how to make. So yeah, I'll just slowly fade now to a montage of me looking busy and drinking my Huel. Hello, and I'm back from a new angle. Crazy, trying out new things. So yeah, this is a kind of pre-workout meal. I'm going to be working out in like an hour or so. So it's literally just frozen berries, and then I put in some granola and soy milk. And this is like 220 calories. And look, it's like a big bowl. It's basically cereal, but instead of cereal, I have berries. Yeah, it's like 220 calories and 12 grams of protein. Basically, I've quit caffeine and I'd always usually just have a coffee pre-workout, but now I don't drink coffee. I find that the fruits give me a nice burst of energy to work out from. Yeah, it's delicious, tasty, super easy. I'm liking this new angle. I know kind of like people are told to avoid fruits and the sugars, but I don't believe that. Fruits are natural, they come from the earth. And yeah, berries are so low in calories. Like you see, like I got 155 grams. It's a full-on bowl. Not everyone can probably eat frozen berries. I know Loretta's teeth hurt if she does it, so you could always warm them up. I was actually supposed to film this day of eating yesterday. And like right before I was going to start filming, we got a notification by a phone that someone was trying to pay for something on my card. And then I looked online at my bank. It was like 10 transactions of someone like booking Airbnbs, taxis, all this kind of stuff. So I was on the phone to like bank and I had to go through the fraud team and get all my cards cancelled for like 2 hours. So I was too stressed out. I was thinking, who the hell is booking an Airbnb during COVID? And the real kicker was, he'd also paid for like a £20 Nando's. So probably ordering chicken on a vegan's time, which was a real low blow. That is my pre-workout meal done. And yeah, it's Loretta's birthday tomorrow, and being a top bloke, I thought I'd surprise her and make her lunch today, which is something I don't normally do because she's the cook. Next time I see her, I'll probably be whipping up a storm in the kitchen. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you.
What a treat. Oh, you never cook for me. I mean, Pete always cooks for me.
Thing a nice guy does. This is going to be lunch. This is tofu. It was supposed to be tofu scramble, but I realised it's firm tofu, so it's tofu salad with protein bread and hummus, which Loretta made, which is just chickpeas blended with oil. This is about 300 and spices. It's about 300 calories and about 30 grams protein in this meal. pretty snazzy. So yeah, we'll enjoy this.
Not surprised.
Da, 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 da. And dinner is served, and this is what I'm talking about. So this is pretty much roasted vegetables, salad, more vegetables, hummus, and the magic ingredient is edamame soy noodles. So these bad boys pack a punch. So 50 grams is what I used in here. It is 20 grams of protein and like 170 calories. The key to getting extra volume is I grate like 3 carrots, and that makes like carrot noodles as well. And then yeah, it's a beast. So yeah, 500 calories, 30 grams of protein. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat this probably in front of the TV because it takes about 5 hours to eat this. And then I've got a super exciting pudding to show you to finish the day off. Yeah, that's about it.
Few moments later.
Oh. So Loretta's rocking a lot of potato. We go pretty hard in this house. Key as well is I don't use any sauce, I use hot sauce. And I think that's key because hot sauce is low calorie but super tasty. Today I've got Nando's hot sauce. Oh yeah, and quick disclaimer, we eat like huge meals like this, and you're going to see my pudding afterwards is also huge, which is why I thought when I attempted the 10k challenge it was going to be a piece of cake, because I eat so much like big voluminous food. But yeah, it doesn't translate to the 10k challenge. Eating lots of volume doesn't get you good at the 10k challenge. It's a different ballpark. Ball game. Okay, I'm going to finish eating this. And stay tuned because you're going to see the world's greatest dessert that's ever been made in the world of desserts that I only discovered yesterday. So it's going to be my second time making it. But yeah, I'm super excited. So yeah, we're going to eat this and then we'll see you for the finale. Hello, and we are back for the last meal of the day. I'm going to call it Pete's Protein Pudding Bonanza. It's a simple recipe, I discovered it yesterday. You need 1 blender, preferably not used, some ice cubes, some more ice cubes. Okay, so you put your ice in the blender, and I've got 30 grams of protein, 10 grams of cacao, and xanthium gum. Is that what it's called?
Xanthan, I think. It doesn't have an eye.
Xanthium gum. Teaspoon of xanthium gum. Pop her in here. Add some water. Hope this works. So made it for the first time yesterday, so let's hope it works again. I feel like it's done already. A bit runny here. It's not that thick. Why is it not so thick? Too much water. Damn it.
But yesterday you had frozen fruit and ice.
Okay, just add a bit of extra fruit halfway through. Okay. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. Ooh, people do a test where you pour it over your head.
You can't do it with yours, I don't think.
Bit too runny.
Yours is too runny for that.
But yeah, this will be like 300 calories. It's like 30 grams protein, and it's quite a lot of pudding.
Will it even be that much?
I know. I'm not sure. And here we have the final meal. Pretty much just fills up a bowl. And yeah, this is going to be about 300 calories, 30 grams of protein. I'll put some syrup and some granola on top of there. The first time I made this yesterday, so it's a bit runnier than I'd like it to be. You can get it more like thick and ice cream, but I'm just playing around. I think I put too much water in. But yeah, definitely gets your sweet tooth when you're dieting. Okay, so I'm gonna enjoy this, and I'm gonna check back in tomorrow because I'm kind of not sure what I've gone into detail about over the day of eating. I'm gonna go over the nutrition of what I've eaten today and tips and tricks on how you can make your meals more voluminous and less calories so you can succeed in your diet too. So yeah, I'll check back in with the morning with all that info, so I'll see you then. Hello, so it is the next day, and I just wanted to quickly touch upon the nutrition of what I ate yesterday. So as you can see, I'll pull up my FitnessPal now, and I ate a staggering 1,853 calories and hit my protein goal of 154 grams of protein. That is actually less calories and more protein than I usually eat. Really want to exaggerate this day to show you how easy it is to hit your protein goal and keep your calories low, even if you are on a plant-based diet. I also want to show you, flicking down on the MyFitnessPal, that I made sure to hit my micronutrients. I got my vitamin A, my vitamin C, my potassium, my calcium, my iron. I also made sure I got my poly and monosaturated fats, which are the good fats you need. I also had no trans fats and only 9 grams of saturated fat. So yeah, definitely encourage you to make sure you hit your micronutrients. It's all good and well to look good on the outside, but feeling good and looking good on the inside matters a little bit more, in my opinion. If you've learned anything from this video, I want the take-home message to be fill up on fruits and vegetables. They definitely keep you full and make dieting so much easier. Make sure to drink lots of fluids, as I've said in my fasting videos. A lot of the time when we think we're hungry, we're actually just thirsty. And final tip is, if you can push your breakfast a little bit further into the day, it definitely makes it a lot easier to eat lower calories. I know it does for me anyway, so maybe try it out if you haven't tried that out before. Anyway, that's going to be it for the video, so I hope you like it. If you have found it useful, please drop it a like, and if you're new, think about subscribing. It means the world. It doesn't cost you anything, so go on, just ding that bell down there. That really means the world, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Okay, just want you to say, Pete always cooks for me. Just
like in a serious voice.
Just go, actually, Peter, I would like something along the lines of, Peter always cooks for me.
In a serious voice?
Yeah, that's serious.
Peter always cooks for me.
Thank you.